ideas for developing your social skills. Here are some suggestions we've come up with to help you to develop your social skills. To make it easier to understand, we've divided it into 3 sections. So, if you found you answered mostly, "I'm not particularly good at this yet," why not try talking to someone in your class you don't know? Or why not take part in a volunteering activity with your group? Or why not visit the student participation team and get involved in a college activity? If you answered mostly "I'm getting better, but still need to work on this a bit more," why not try undertaking a volunteering activity by yourself? Or taking part in the National Citizen Service? Or why not undertake a work experience placement to help develop your social skills? If you answered mainly "I do this very well" or "I'm good at this," then why not offer to take on a leadership role in a club or society here at the college? Or how about getting a part-time job? Or why not do a presentation to a group of people you don't know? You don't have to choose any of the above suggestions to include in your action plan. Why not come up with an idea of your own?
Created using Powtoon.